Hello, space enthusiasts and cosmos exploration buffs. Welcome to another video where we delve deep into the intricacies of space engineering and the new frontiers of habitability in space. Today, we have a literally explosive event to share with you. A controlled explosion of an inflatable space module. A crucial test for the future Reef Space Station, spearheaded by the Sierra Space and Blue Origin companies. My mission is to guide you through the nuances of this surprising news and explain the significance of this milestone for future space missions. Let's start a journey that promises to broaden our horizons, so buckle up. A little about the project. In the latest communication from Sierra Space, dated January 22, 2024, we were informed about an explosion that seems to come straight out of a sci-fi movie. But don't worry, it was all part of the plan. The impressive event marks a milestone in the preparations for the Reef Space Station, which could be part of our reality as early as the 2030s. We are literally watching the birth of a new structure in space in real time. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the term Reef Space Station, it is a revolutionary concept that is being developed in a collaboration between Sierra Space and Blue Origin. This promising project might be the successor to our beloved International Space Station, scheduled to end its operations by 2030. It's definitely an exciting time to be a space enthusiast. Understanding the explosive test. You might be wondering, why blow up a space module? Well, in layman's terms, it's like testing the limit of a balloon. You inflate, inflate, and inflate until it bursts. This gives us an idea of how much pressure that balloon, or in this case the space module, can withstand. And we're talking about explosions of large proportions, equivalent to 164 sticks of dynamite, an image for the humanities photo album indeed. Now, in technical terms, what Sierra Space did was test its large integrated flexible environment, LIFE module, by inflating it to its maximum pressure capacity. Modules must withstand a certain pressure, as per NASA's safety standards, and LIFE passed with flying colors, supporting a pressure of 77 pounds per square inch, 27% above what NASA requires. What a way to prove its sturdiness. Now hold on a second, let's talk about safety in space. It's no secret that the space environment is relentless. Pressure, radiation, and the constant threat of micrometeoroids make the durability and resistance of materials used in space stations a top priority. All this pressurizing and literally bursting these structures to their limits is a way to ensure that, once operational, they are as safe as possible for our brave astronauts. Exploring the inflatable module. Let's now move on to perhaps the most fascinating subject, the inflatable module itself. Imagine a structure about 8.3 meters in diameter and 6.2 meters tall, with all interior areas usable thanks to the microgravity environment. It's like having a space living room, where every inch is valuable. And, according to Tom Weiss, CEO of Sierra Space, it only takes a 5-meter rocket to carry this lightweight module into space. When you think of the International Space Station, which has been a home away from home for many astronauts since 1998, it's hard to imagine something that could surpass it in size. But here's the game changer. Just 3 LIFE modules would already exceed the ISS in volume. And yes, there are even larger models. We're talking about a module with almost 1,400 cubic meters of space, which could surpass the ISS in a single launch. This is literally taking a giant leap for mankind. The future of the Reef Space Station LIFE is an integral part in the vision of the Reef Station. According to Tom Weiss, the idea is to reinvent the space station, shaping a new era of human exploration and discovery. It's a bold and quite an inspiring vision. The cooperation between Sierra Space and Blue Origin is paving the way for this reality, and part of the functionality of this cooperation is funded by concepts that NASA supports. This shows that even when the ISS retires, the legacy of innovation and discovery will continue. All these tests, explosions, the innovative technology, are part of the process of ensuring that when we reach the point of inhabiting this new station, we'll be ready to face the unknown with confidence. Therefore, even with doubts about whether the Reef Station will be operational in just 6 years to replace the ISS, Sierra Space is navigating a path full of opportunities, with their eyes firmly on the stars. Concluding, as we continue with our journey of space exploration, the role of technology, and more specifically space habitats, becomes increasingly central. While we watch tests like these, we can't help but marvel at the advances that will take us to the next frontiers of the cosmos. The importance of events like the controlled explosion of the Life module goes far beyond a mere demonstration of strength. They represent perseverance, innovation, and humanity's desire to reach new heights. In face of the inherent challenges of life in space, each test, each failure, each success is one step forward in our collective understanding. The benefits of this journey are not just for those few who will call the Reef Space Station home, but for all of us here on Earth, as we expand our knowledge and increase our capacity to innovate. We share this story today to inspire, to inform, and to feed our endless curiosity about what awaits us out there, among the stars. And with that, we've reached the end of our video today, but the conversation is endless, and the sky is no longer the limit. Leave your comments, share your perspectives, and join us the next time we look up and dream of a future among the stars. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on this incredible journey we are all sharing. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars, curious and courageous, as we've always been.